Hi guys. Okay. Hi guys, it's Shani and I'm here today with Emily. Woo! We're so excited to be here. Today we're at Ipsy Studios and we're gonna be making really cute Halloween costumes. Yay! Halloween costumes and makeup. Today we're gonna be recreating Hannah and Lola from Hannah Montana. Emily's gonna be Hannah Montana and I'm gonna be Lola. So we're just gonna do our makeup, a quick glam, a quick glitter, and a wig, and we're gonna show you our outfits, and yeah, let's just get started. So I already have my base on, thank goodness. Whoa. Emily bro, how was your day going?
I should have brought like a liner. I did not think. Pretty good. I haven't done anything crazy so far. Just had, you know, my little breakfast.
And now we're here?
Yeah, now we're here.
My day's pretty good too. I cleaned Matcha's room. I got ready for today and I went to pick you up. I had a plátano. So it was good. So I'm gonna be using Half Magic makeup. Have you used Half Magic before?
I haven't.
Okay, well you can use this if you want. This is blue eyeliner and some glitter. I feel like that's Hannah and Lola.
That's fun.
Yeah.
Can I open this?
Yeah, man. But anyways, I'm really excited about this year. I feel like all the costumes I'm doing, it's very like wholesome and fun.
Nice.
What about you?
Costumes always stress me out. Because I'm like, I don't know what to choose. I don't know what fits my vibe. But I'm excited. My brother and I want to do something together this year.
Finally, you guys are always saying
I know, we're
that.
always saying something.
What are you guys thinking?
But we have Step Brothers. That's always been our top on the list. And then we were thinking, have you seen Blades of Glory?
You guys are not gonna recreate those costumes, bro. Really?
We're thinking about it.
That's kind of cool. And then you guys gotta
it's like
do the scene where you
yes, we were like looking at pictures together, but it's like a whole like jumpsuit. I don't know if Carlitos would wear it.
If you guys are gonna DIY it, it'd be cool. I've told you Debbie and Fester from Adam's Family.
Oh, yeah.
But when freaking Fester gets a makeover, so he has a wig on, and that would slay.
That'd be so perfect.
Yeah. We want to be. I want to be like. Okay, I've been seeing a lot of the like, the fembot wig everywhere, and now I kind of want to be a fembot or like a space alien. Yeah, we're so excited we were able to film today at Ipsy Studios. We gotta take advantage, bro. We gotta take advantage. It's Hispanic Heritage Month.
Look at this background. Isn't that so cool?
It's so beautiful. They slayed.
I love it so much.
I want to take it home with me, for real.
There's a lot of like smoky eyeliner.
I brought a lot of glitter. Honestly, it's up to you. Whatever you think Hannah would wear. What I'm thinking of doing is I'm gonna have regular black eyeliner, and then I'm gonna go over it again with glitter eyeliner. Because they're young, they're like
cute.
preteens.
Yeah.
I used to love Hannah Montana growing up. I loved,
Oh, me too.
and a lot of people were like, is it Wizards or Hannah Montana? For me, it was Hannah because I loved her clothes. And I wanted to be a pop star, you know? And I loved Ant Farm.
Ant Farm was so good.
Ant Farm was good.
No, I love Wizards. Wizards was my favorite.
Yeah.
For sure.
Yours looks good.
Oh, that looks so good.
Slay the day.
This eyeshadow is like super pigmented too. It's so cute. It's so
So everyone, what are you excited about for the holidays?
Ooh.
Like low key, okay, and disclaimer, if anybody's watching this and has watched our podcast, I said I didn't like Christmas, but I just wanted to take that back because I've been listening to a lot of Christmas music and I'm kind of excited for Christmas.
Oh, I'm excited for Christmas. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. And
Why are we singing? It's
I know,
literally a
stop.
Halloween
Sorry.
episode.
I'm sorry.
So I have this for Lola, and this for Lola because she wears a lot of plaid.
She does.
This for you, for Hannah.
Wow, look at that.
Hannah Montana. Hannah Montana. And you could either put this over it or this one over it. Or I could wear this one too. So we're pulling out our wiggies, the bad wiggies. Do you like yourself in blonde?
I don't know. I don't know.
I don't think I'm gonna look as good as you will, but
No, the
I feel like us
accessories are
standing.
helping you. For sure.
I feel like us standing next to each other is gonna help a lot. This is bad. This is real bad.
I can't do this, bro. I don't want to look at myself.
You look so good right now. I'm like.
like white chicks.
Your wig looks so good on you, Emily. Oh my gosh.
Dude, I look like the Grudge.
Oh, okay. No, mine kind of looks pretty good now.
No, yours looks. Oh, the
Yeah,
headband makes
the
it so
headband.
cute.
Okay, now we need to play Hannah Montana music.
Oh yeah, come on. You get the limo out front. Hottest styles, every shoe, every color. Yeah, when you're famous, it can be kind of fun. It's really you, but no one ever.
Okay, guys, so this is our Lola and Hannah look. What do you guys think? Something light, something fun. You can get, I don't know if you can get this in your wardrobe, but you can definitely get basics like this. And a cute little bob.
Yeah, lots of accessories.
Lots of accessories, literally.
Glitter.
Glitter, yes. They were literally maximalists before maximalist was a thing.
Literally. For
Literally.
real.
Alrighty, guys, we will see you next time. Bye. Bye.